Good morning! Speed sounds. Please take today's speed sounds worksheet. Point with your finger to each word you hear. I will read the words and leave a gap for you to repeat after me. Shen. Pay attention. It's a celebration. Conversation. Conversation. Celebration. Celebration. Exploration. Exploration. Tradition. Tradition. Congratulation. Congratulation. Attention. Attention. Exploration. Congratulation. Conversation. Attention. Celebration. Tradition. Exploration. Please take a piece of paper. Here's a dictation of 10 words for you. Please write them neatly underneath each other, numbering each word. Word number 1. Attention. Word number 2. Picture. Word number 3. Congratulation. Word number 4. Year. Word number 5. Tradition. Word number 6. Exploration. Word number 7. Inspire. Word number 8. Conversation. Word number 9. Creature. Word number 10. Celebration. And here are 5 sentences for you to write down. Please write them neatly underneath each other, numbering each sentence. Sentence number 1. There was a huge celebration in town. There was a huge celebration in town. There was a huge celebration in town. Full stop. Sentence number 2. Pay attention when you copy from the blackboard. Pay attention when you copy from the blackboard. Pay attention when you copy from the blackboard. Full stop. Sentence number 3. I had a very interesting conversation yesterday. I had a very interesting conversation yesterday. I had a very interesting conversation yesterday. Full stop. Sentence number 4. It is a tradition to have a bonfire on 5th of November. It is a tradition to have a bonfire on 5th of November. It is a tradition to have a bonfire on 5th of November. Full stop. Sentence number 5. Congratulations on winning the marathon. Congratulations on winning the marathon. Congratulations on winning the marathon. Full stop.